How to fix Windows 11 slow and lagging problem? For this first step, close unnecessary program, open up Task Manager, click Startup Apps. If you are using many applications for startup means sometimes the issue will occur. So you need to disable the startup applications which you are not using. Check it and disable it. Make sure you no need to disable the inbuilt system process applications. Come to next step, search for run and type the following text mdsched.exe. Click OK. A pop-up will appear. Check your computer for memory problems. You need to click and restart it. Click restart now and check for problem. And after come to next step, search for advanced system settings. Click it. Click advanced option. Under performance you have seen settings. Click it. And click advanced. Here you have seen the virtual memory is there. You need to click virtual memory. Click change. And you have seen automatic manage paging file size for all drivers are there. You need to enable it. If it is disabled means you need to enable it. After enable, click OK. Click apply and OK. And restart your device. Once restart complete after, click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click check for update, and if there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it. And move on with next step. Search for CMD, click run as administrative and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time because entirely verifying the files in your drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after, exit it and restart your device. Thank you.